Hi guys! So today I'm going to be going over how to approach these types of abstract reasoning questions. These can be quite tricky for some people, especially if you don't have a specific technique to actually to go through these questions with. So the first thing we always say to do is, when you look at the question set, try and think to yourself, what question type does this actually fall under? And if you've seen our UCAT e-book or cheat sheets or some of our posts, you know that this will fall under the letters and numbers category. So the things you want to look out for are these sort of things. And one of the biggest tips we say you should think about is treat everything as shapes. Don't think of them as actual letters and numbers. Everything here is a shape. Like, this is not actually the letter X, this is not Z. These are just letters. Like, this is just a line and another line, and this is just a line and then a diagonal line, then a straight line. So it's all just shapes. When you think of it like that, it makes it so much easier to get the correct pattern. So the main things you want to look out for is number of right angles, curved versus straight lines, so like curved versus straight looking shapes, number of letters and numbers. I know it says letters and numbers here, but basically number of shapes, number of strokes. So this basically means, like, if you were to actually draw the letter or number out, how many like pen strokes would it take? For example, the letter L has 1, A has 2, so that's what that basically means. And the number of enclosed shapes and horizontal and vertical symmetry. So enclosed shape is just like, for example, this P, it has 1 enclosed shape, the D has 1. None of these have an enclosed shape. That's what that means. Okay, so another thing we always say is always approach the sets by looking at the most simplest box. So just pick any set, like A or B. Most people out of habit just look at set A. I don't know why we do that, but I always did that. Okay, so set A. Here, all of the boxes, they have the same number of shapes. So there's not really a simplest box, so you can just pick any box. So I'm just going to go with this one. And then now, look, there's certain things we need to look out for. So let's start off with right angles. I don't really think that's going to be a pattern because I don't see any right angles here or here. There's one here, but I don't think that's going to be a pattern. Number of straight lines or curved shapes, like curved versus straight shapes, that could potentially be a pattern. So let's just look out for that. And so this is curved, curved, straight, curved, curved, straight. Okay, that might be the pattern. Curved, curved, straight, curved, curved, straight. Yeah, 2 curved shapes and 1 straight shape. That might potentially be our pattern. Now, let's compare it to set B, which is probably going to be the opposite. So here, there's 2 straight shapes, 1 curved, 2 straight shapes, 1 curved. Yeah, I think that is our pattern. So for set A, it's going to be... I just forgot the pattern. In set A, it's going to be... 2 curved, 1 straight. In set B, it's going to be 2 straight, 1 curved. So now we can easily just think about which one it's going to be. So this one has 2 curved, 1 straight. That's going to be set A. This has 3 curved. So this is going to be neither. This has 2 straight, 1 curved. So this is going to be B. Hopefully this made it easier and more clearer for how you should approach these questions.